Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's another episode with Maribel Foods and Recipes. If you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe, and click on the bell notification to be notified anytime I post new videos like this. If you click on the notification bell, YouTube will notify you anytime I post a new video. So in today's episode with Maribel Foods and Recipes, we'll be preparing popcorn. This is popcorn with specialty. So guys, let's get right into the video. In making this popcorn, the first thing I'll be doing is adding a spoon of butter to my pot. I've preheated this pot before now, so I just added a spoon of butter to the pot. Allow the butter to melt. Then I just added the corn. Add the corn and give it a stir fry. I'll cover the pot now so that the corn, as it starts popping, will not be jumping over the pot. So you cover. As you can see, our corn has started popping. So, but we'll have to leave it. Our corn has finished popping, as you can see. So we'll now move to the next stage. So guys, the next thing to do is, I told you this popcorn is not just your usual popcorn you buy on the roadside. So this is a popcorn with difference. So you, on an empty frying pan, you put in your sugar and continue frying the sugar until the sugar melts. And I'm doing this on a low heat. I will leave the recipe in the description box below so you can see everything on your own time. Guys, our sugar is dissolving small. Gradually. Sugar is dissolving. You can see the sugar is already dissolved. So the next thing is adding a spoonful of butter. I'm adding this quantity of butter to the sugar. Guys, as you can see now, the color has changed to brown. So, and at this point, I'm taking off the heat. So I'm just taking off the heat. At this point, we'll just pour in the sugar mixture inside the popcorn and mix everything together. So I'm giving everything a good mix now.